When it comes to the judicial protection of fundamental rights, one of the most important organs worldwide is the International Criminal Court. My name is Miguel Torero, and I'm a student at the University of Valladolid. Today we will be dealing with this International Criminal Court, or ICC. The main objective of this presentation will be to study how the International Criminal Court assesses the different cases it needs to rule on. To do so, however, we will not use a judgment, so to say, but we will use what is called an ongoing case, one of the different ongoing cases under the jurisdiction of the International Criminal Court, specifically the one between the prosecutor and Mr. Ali Muhammad Ali Abd al-Rahman. Well, what are the main underlying facts of this case? Mr. Ali Muhammad Ali Abd al-Rahman was accused of having committed up to 31 counts of war crimes and crimes against humanity between the years 2003 and at least 2004 in Darfur, Sudan. Indeed, this case is related to the genocide of Darfur. Those crimes have to do with crimes or violent actions against civilian population and committing acts of torture. Right now, however, the most important question is, how did the ICC have jurisdiction over this situation? Well, the answer is simple. We have the United Nations. Mr. Kofi Annan, the former Secretary General of the United Nations, set up a commission in order to evaluate the ongoing situation in Darfur. Once that commission thought it had enough evidence of war crimes and crimes against humanity being committed there, it issued a document. In that document, it asked the United Nations Security Council to refer the situation to the International Criminal Court. Eventually, it did so, and it was in the year 2005 when the prosecutor of the International Criminal Court finally started prosecuting the genocide of Darfur. But who is Mr. Ali Muhammad Ali Abd al-Rahman? Well, this man was believed to be the leader of the Janjaweed militia between the years 2003 and 2004, at least, as we have said, in Darfur, in Sudan. Actually, we have to know that up to 2 different arrest warrants were issued against this person, one in the year 2007, the other one in the year 2020. It was finally in the year 2020 that he finally decided to surrender himself, and he did it voluntarily. Since that year, since 2020, Mr. Ali Muhammad Ali Abd al-Rahman is under the custody of the International Criminal Court. Last but not least, what is the current stage of the proceedings in this case? We have that the trial is currently ongoing. After the representatives of the victims made their open statements, the trial is currently ongoing, as we have said. Of course, this has been a really summarized way in order to know how the International Criminal Court studies and assesses each and every case on a daily basis. It is a controversial institution that nonetheless is absolutely necessary in our world, a world that is constantly changing, but that does not always change for the better, being therefore necessary and important control over it.